Tired of dealing with itchy, smelly feet or stubborn toenail issues? Discover a simple, natural solution right in your pantry: apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is more than just a kitchen staple. It's packed with natural properties that make it a fantastic foot care ingredient. Its main component, acetic acid, creates an environment where fungi and bacteria struggle to survive. This makes ACV a powerful ally against common foot problems. ACV is a natural antifungal and antimicrobial agent. It helps kill fungal spores and bacteria, reducing odor and lowering your risk of infection. It also helps balance your skin's pH level. This acidic balance is crucial for preventing fungal growth and maintaining healthy skin. Beyond fighting germs, ACV acts as a gentle exfoliant. It softens dead skin, leaving your feet feeling smoother and healthier after each use. Plus, it provides relief from itching and odor. If you suffer from athlete's foot or other fungal issues, ACV can soothe discomfort and freshen your feet. Making your own ACV foot soak is incredibly easy. You likely have most of the items needed already at home. You'll need a large basin, a measuring cup, and a clean towel. A mixing spoon is also helpful for combining ingredients. Optional additions can boost the soak's effectiveness and comfort. Consider adding Epsom salt or a few drops of tea tree essential oil. The total time from start to finish is only about 30 to 35 minutes. This includes a quick 10-minute prep and a relaxing 15 to 20-minute soak. Here's what you'll need for the basic soak. It's a simple 2-ingredient base that's highly effective. Measure out 1 cup, which is about 240 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Make sure it's raw, unfiltered ACV for the best results. You'll also need 4 cups or 1 liter of warm water. This dilutes the vinegar to a safe and comfortable concentration for your skin. First, pour the measured 1 cup of apple cider vinegar into your clean basin. Ensure the basin is large enough to comfortably fit both of your feet. Next, add the 4 cups of warm water to the basin. Stir gently to combine the water and vinegar thoroughly. Always test the water temperature before soaking. It should be comfortably warm, not hot, to avoid any skin irritation. Want to make your soak even better? Add 2 tablespoons, about 30 grams of Epsom salt. This helps relax muscles and can aid in drawing out toxins. For extra antifungal power, add 3 to 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is known for its strong natural antiseptic properties. Mix any optional additions into the water and vinegar solution. Ensure they are well dispersed before you begin soaking your feet. Now, gently place your feet into the prepared basin. Make sure the solution covers your entire foot, including your toes and the soles. Relax and let your feet soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Use this time to unwind and let the ACV work its magic. Avoid soaking for longer than 20 minutes, especially when starting out. This helps prevent potential skin dryness or irritation. After your soak, carefully remove your feet from the basin. Use a clean, soft towel to thoroughly pat them dry. Pay special attention to the areas between your toes. Ensuring these areas are completely dry is crucial for preventing fungal growth. Finally, apply a moisturizer or an antifungal cream. This helps keep your skin hydrated and creates a barrier against future infections. For mild fungal infections or as a preventive measure, use this ACV foot soak 2 to 3 times per week. Consistency is key for best results. If you have a more severe condition, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional. They can advise on frequency or alternative treatments. Listen to your body and observe how your skin reacts. If you notice any irritation, reduce the frequency or dilute the solution further. Apple cider vinegar's effectiveness comes from its natural composition. It's a simple yet potent solution for foot care. Acetic acid is the primary active compound. It directly targets fungi and bacteria, while also helping to restore your skin's natural pH balance. Malic acid is another component present in ACV. It contributes additional antifungal properties, enhancing the vinegar's germ-fighting capabilities. ACV also contains beneficial enzymes and probiotics. These work together to combat harmful microorganisms and support overall healthy skin function. Want to boost exfoliation and really tackle dead skin? An ACV foot scrub is the perfect addition to your routine. A scrub helps remove dead skin cells more effectively. This not only leaves your feet smoother, but also further prevents fungal infections from taking hold. It's a simple DIY recipe that complements the foot soak. Using both can provide comprehensive foot care. You'll need just a few items for the scrub. A small mixing bowl and a measuring spoon are essential. You'll also need a clean towel for drying your feet afterward. The ingredients are likely already in your kitchen pantry. The prep time is very quick, only about 5 minutes. Application takes another 5 to 10 minutes, making it a fast addition to your routine. Here are the ingredients for this effective exfoliating scrub. It combines ACV with common kitchen items. You'll need 2 tablespoons, about 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Again, raw and unfiltered is recommended. Measure out 1/4 cup, which is about 50 grams of granulated sugar. This provides the necessary abrasive texture for exfoliation. You'll also need 2 tablespoons, about 30 milliliters of coconut oil. This helps bind the scrub and moisturizes your skin. Optionally, add 3 to 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. This boosts the scrub's antifungal properties and adds a fresh scent. First, combine the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil in your small mixing bowl. Stir them together. Gradually add the 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir continuously until you achieve a thick, gritty paste consistency. If using, add the 3 to 5 drops of tea tree oil to the mixture. Stir it in thoroughly to distribute the oil evenly. Apply the scrub to damp feet. Massage it gently in circular motions, focusing on rough areas or where you have thickened skin. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes massaging the scrub into your feet. Be gentle, especially if you have sensitive skin. Rinse your feet thoroughly with warm water to remove all the scrub residue. Ensure no sugar or oil is left behind. Finally, pat your feet completely dry with a clean towel. Just like with the soak, pay attention to drying between the toes. Caution: always dilute apple cider vinegar with water before using it on your skin. Using it undiluted can cause irritation or burns.